Welcome back to Knowledge Panel. Today we're exploring how your zodiac sign might shape your money habits. Ever notice some people are natural savers while others love to splurge? Astrology could have a say in that. We'll break down which signs are known for financial discipline, investment smarts, and wealth-building instincts. Remember, this is all in good fun. Your choices matter more than your sign. As we go through each sign, drop your zodiac in the comments and let us know if the description fits you. Are you a penny-pinching Virgo or a risk-taking Aries? Let's find out. Let's dive in and see who's born to be rich. First up, Taurus, the bull and the master of financial stability. Tauruses are grounded, patient, and yes, stubborn. But that stubbornness is their financial superpower. When they set a budget, they stick to it. No impulse buys, no reckless spending. They crave quality over quantity, saving up for what they want instead of settling or going into debt. Their patience pays off. They're willing to wait for value and avoid risky trends. When investing, Taurus prefers slow, steady growth blue-chip stocks, real estate, and proven assets. They see wealth building as a marathon, not a sprint, and save and invest with discipline. Security is their main driver. Money means comfort and control, not showing off. They plan for the long term, mapping out retirement and future goals years in advance. Their practical, methodical approach makes them the go-to for financial advice. Taurus builds a solid foundation, brick by brick, paycheck by paycheck. They're not just thinking about next month, they're thinking about the next decade. If you're a Taurus, you probably already know you're the sensible one in your group. You bring lunch to work, not out of necessity, but because you see the bigger picture. That patient, practical nature is your ticket to lasting wealth. You value security and comfort, and you're willing to work for it. Your friends trust your advice because you never recommend anything reckless. You're building a financial fortress, not just a bank account. For Taurus, true wealth is peace of mind. That's your financial edge. Next, Virgo, the perfectionist and financial analyst of the Zodiac. Virgos are practical, detail-oriented, and love a good spreadsheet. They track every penny and spot financial mistakes before anyone else. Their secret weapon? Meticulous research and optimization. Virgos hunt for the best deals, read every review, and never pay more than they have to. They're masters at managing debt, using strategies like the avalanche or snowball method with precision. In investing, Virgos are cautious but smart, favoring well-researched, diversified portfolios over hype. Flashy spending isn't their style. They prefer a healthy bank account and a solid emergency fund. Organization is key, taxes, insurance, estate plans, all in order. Virgos are the financial planners of their friend group, always ready with advice. Their logic and attention to detail make them natural wealth builders. They don't need luck, they have a plan. If you're a Virgo, your financial future is in good hands. You find satisfaction in making the smartest choices. For you, prosperity is all about preparation and precision. Now Capricorn, the CEO of the Zodiac. Capricorns are ambitious, disciplined, and always thinking long-term. They see finances as a mountain to climb, planning every step. Delayed gratification is their strength. They invest now for bigger rewards later. Capricorns honor commitments, pay bills on time, and build stellar credit. Their ambition isn't just about money, it's about achievement and respect. They're always seeking ways to grow, climbing the ladder, starting businesses or side hustles. In investing, they're pragmatic, favoring real estate and blue-chip stocks for steady growth. Capricorns are resourceful, making things happen even with limited resources. Challenges are opportunities. They work hard and never back down. For them, money means security, power, and legacy. They want to build something lasting for future generations. Capricorns are architects of their own destiny, building on discipline and vision. If you're a Capricorn, you're not just playing the game, you're planning to win. Your financial strategy is your superpower. You're in it for the long haul. Let's talk about Cancer, the guardian of the Zodiac. Cancers crave security for themselves and their loved ones, making them cautious with money. They're natural savers, always building a solid emergency fund for peace of mind. Intuitive and prudent, Cancers avoid risky schemes and trust their gut in financial decisions. Their home is their sanctuary, so they invest in property and comfort, building equity over time. Family comes first. Cancers plan for college funds, insurance, and long-term security. They're generous, but always with a plan. Risk-averse, they prefer safe investments like bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Protecting their principal is their top priority. Slow and steady wins the race. If you're a Cancer, your financial strength is your heart. You build wealth to protect and nurture, not to show off. Your motivation is powerful, security for those you love. You're building a fortress, not just a fortune. That's your path to prosperity. Now Libra, the sign of balance and harmony. Libras seek equilibrium in everything, including their finances. They balance saving for the future with enjoying life now, avoiding extremes. Libras love beauty and luxury but make thoughtful, considered purchases. Their negotiation skills are top-notch, diplomatic, persuasive, and fair. Socially savvy, they leverage networks for deals and opportunities. In partnerships, they collaborate for financial harmony and shared goals. Investing, Libras diversify, balancing risk and reward for steady growth. Their strength is finding the middle way, security and pleasure in equal measure. If you're a Libra, you navigate money matters with grace. Your sense of fairness and resourcefulness set you apart. You prove you can have both a healthy bank account and a life well lived. Balance is your financial superpower. Let's fire things up with Aries, the pioneer and risk-taker. Aries are energetic, bold, and love a challenge. They don't wait for wealth, they chase it, often through entrepreneurship or bold ventures. High risk, high reward is their motto, but impulsiveness can be their downfall. Aries excel at making money, but holding on to it takes discipline. They're resilient, setbacks don't stop them, they bounce back stronger. In investing, Aries love action. Day trading, startups, anything exciting. Their adaptability lets them pivot quickly when opportunities arise. The key for Aries is channeling energy into smart saving, not just spending. If they balance their drive with discipline, their wealth potential is huge. Aries thrive on excitement, but need a plan for the long term. Their courage and innovation are unmatched. For Aries, the journey to wealth is an adventure. Learn to enjoy watching your savings grow as much as you're spending. That's the secret to Aries' financial success. Enter Scorpio, the strategist and financial detective. Scorpios are intense, private, and play the long game with money. Their greatest asset? A sharp, strategic mind that sees hidden opportunities. Scorpios research deeply, trust their instincts, and make calculated moves. They crave control and independence. Money is a tool for power, not show. Comfortable with risk, they prefer complex investments where their skills shine. Scorpios keep their finances secret, protecting their plans from outside influence. Debt is a challenge they attack with laser focus, determined to be free. Their relentless drive and ability to see beneath the surface set them apart. If you're a Scorpio, you're quietly building wealth while others wonder how. Strategy, passion, and secrecy are your financial weapons. You're the silent force in the financial world. That's your path to power. Last up, Aquarius, the visionary innovator. Aquarians are future-focused, unconventional, and always ahead of the curve. They spot trends early, investing in tech, crypto, or sustainable ventures before they're mainstream. For Aquarius, wealth funds ideas and causes, not just personal gain. They're independent thinkers making bold, contrarian moves. Sometimes they overlook daily money details. Partnering with a detail-oriented sign helps. Their network is full of innovators, fueling unique opportunities. Aquarius thrives on impact investing and changing the world. If you're an Aquarius, your vision and independence are your greatest assets. Trust your instincts, but don't forget the basics. You have the power to build wealth and make a difference. Innovation is your financial edge. The future is yours to shape. That's our tour through the Zodiac's money mindsets. Every sign has a unique path to wealth. Find yours and play to your strengths. Remember, your actions matter more than your stars. Use these insights to build your best financial future. Share your sign and money habits in the comments. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more personal finance and astrology. Until next time, stay savvy.